Distinguished delegates, it is my personal honor to address you today as you meet for the 35th Congress of the World Association of Chefs' Societies. My very good friend, President Ólafur Grímsson of Iceland, has introduced me to your work and your commitment to address the very pressing issues of food security, sustainability, and climate change. Thank you. I can think of no greater mission for your association. It's wonderful. We all know that industrial agriculture now uses 10 calories of energy from fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas to produce just 1 calorie in food. In fact, what we call modern agriculture is in fact one of the largest sources of global warming pollution when one takes into account all of the emissions from the farm to the fork. When I was a boy growing up during the summers on my family's farm in the southern part of the United States in Tennessee, I learned from my father how to recognize the richest and most productive soil. It's black, it's porous and moist. But it was not until much later in my life that I learned the reason that the best soils are black. That's the carbon. In just the first meter, the precious topsoils of the earth contain between 3 and 4.5 times as much of the carbon that all of the plants and trees in the whole world contain, and more than twice as much as is currently in the atmosphere. So, with improved agricultural and land management practices, we can significantly increase the amount of carbon dioxide that is pulled from the atmosphere by vegetation and left sequestered in the soil. And when we do that, the soil becomes more productive and more profitable, especially for small family organic farmers. You can support this effort by doing what many of you already do, and that is buying agricultural products from local organic farms that use crop rotation, no-till, and conservation measures, and avoiding products from the large factory farms and industrial feedlots. Your leadership is a crucial part of solving the climate crisis. Scientists have warned us that global warming will affect food security. We'll see changes in the availability of water as the hydrological cycle is speeded up, and some areas experience deeper droughts, others more extreme downpours and severe storms and large floods. This combination of events is predicted by the scientists to markedly reduce the yields of many crops on average all around the world. Higher global temperatures, which affect soil moisture, causing it to evaporate more quickly and dry out the vegetation, also contributes to the outbreaks of devastating wildfires that we've seen not only in Russia and Texas, but in many places around the world. Also dust storms. The climate crisis overall is the greatest challenge that we as human beings have ever faced. As individuals who are highly skilled in all areas of food preparation, you are in a unique position to become a key part of solving this difficult crisis. Imagine with me for a moment that we have the chance to use our moral imagination to imagine the future and project ourselves across time and share a brief conversation with our grandchildren as they face the world we bequeath to them in the second half of this century. Will they feel bitterness toward our generation because we failed in our obligation to care for the earth that will be their home? Or will we bequeath to them a future that causes them to say, thank you for recognizing what needed to be done and being a part of the solution? The answer is an answer that we have to give now. It is a question that you can help answer in an affirmative way. Thank you very much.